It's a way to have fun and experience the beauty of Jamaica. Here to tell us about a collection of jigsaw puzzles inspired by Jamaican culture is creator Shauna-Gaye Hart. Morning, Shauna-Gaye. How are you doing?
I am well, thank you.
These are fabulous. What inspired this?
You know what? I like puzzles, and I never ever realized that we don't have Jamaican-inspired puzzles.
Yes.
And one night I was going to bed and I couldn't sleep, and then I was like,
Isn't that where the best ideas come up in insomnia?
so yeah, as soon as that happened, I was on it. I was thinking, where I could go to take pictures. That was like a year ago, and now that was born.
Wow. So, I mean, Jamaica is so beautiful. How did you decide what goes into what puzzle?
So it's an ongoing series.
Okay.
So this series is called Pieces of Home. So this is just the start of the series because, as you said, there's so much to Jamaica. So so right now, this is just 5 designs. We have the fishing village. We have Aki, of course, synonymous with Jamaica. We have a fruit stand that you can find all over Jamaica. You can find the fruit stands. And then as we progress and start adding more designs, we'll have the beaches and the rivers and everything else that's synonymous with Jamaica.
Listen, this is such a great idea.
Thank you.
It really is. And it's beautiful. I mean, and that's one of the great things about a puzzle. To start with this and then end with that is something else. How many pieces come in each of them?
So right now the range is from 100 pieces to 500 pieces. And what we have in the works right now, we're going for the more, the more experienced puzzlers. We're getting 1,000 pieces, 1,500 pieces coming.
Yes, okay.
Right now we have 100, 250, 300, and 500.
It's a great gift, I think, for not just Jamaicans, anyone who loves Jamaica. If you want to give them a piece of home, this is so, wow. This is really, really nice, especially now in our 60th year. We're trying to find things to
and
memorialize Jamaica.
It's not just gifts. I mean, yes, they're great gifts. They're great souvenirs and keepsakes. But it's also, there's a lot of benefits to puzzling.
Absolutely.
So,
I have a whole list. One says mental exercise.
Definitely mental exercise. And it helps your mood. So like I find that when I'm stressed out and I sit down to do a puzzle and that's what I'm focused on, like it just makes me feel so much better. It relaxes me. And it's good for your mental health.
Absolutely. It said the puzzle can be considered a complete brain exercise because it exercises both the right and the left side. The right is in charge of creativity, emotions, and intuitive thinking, and the left is the logical, objective, and methodology. Come on, that side.
You got it.
Clearly my left now work this morning. Greater attention to detail, it improves that.
Definitely. So it depends on also what type of puzzler you are. Some people look at the pieces and try to match the shape of the piece. Some people look at the details in the image and try to match it to the area of the puzzle. So it kind of makes you have to focus on that detail of the puzzle. So it kind of exercises your brain in that way.
Yeah, I think some people do both. Like they look and they say, okay, all of these belong together. Me just match the
right.
pieces,
That not fit this, so some people there. So.
Listen, you ever do a puzzle and you reach over, you try to get the 2 piece them and you say,
no, if you have to force
work.
it, that's not where it goes.
No work. It improves memory.
Definitely improves memory because if I try to put this piece over here and it don't fit there, so I reach to the point where it's supposed to fit and then I say, oh yes, remember the piece over there, so it can go right there, so definitely improves your memory as well.
Improves problem solving ability. Yes. Because you heard it, you have to take different approaches to try to solve the problem.
Yes.
You learn the value of formalizing theories, testing hypotheses, changing your perspective when something doesn't go as planned, because you can approach the puzzle and say, all right, this is what I'm going to do. And then you say, that not work. Let me try something else.
And you know what else it's really, really good at? It is great for bonding. And it's great for teamwork exercises and collaborations. It's a great family project. So you can get your family together. I mean, I know nowadays a lot of people don't really do like family dinners and those things. So it's a really nice exercise for your family to come together and you guys do it.
Listen, if you're in a team doing a puzzle and you don't work together, the puzzle not go done. It ain't gonna be done. We have to respect everybody's input, who is doing what. So it's great for collaboration. And it's also great for improved productivity, I'm told, because When your concentration improves, your productivity skyrockets. So it's fun, but there's so many benefits from doing puzzles that every home should have a puzzle.
And those are all, those are the side effects. So let's focus on the fun.
No, the side effects sound like something going wrong.
No, man, it's good side effects.
Right,
it's good side effects.
Okay.
So you're doing these, you're having these benefits, and you don't even realize you're getting these benefits from doing a puzzle, you know?
So guys, listen, so Shauna, where do we find you?
So you can go on my website, puzzlesbysg.com. We ship locally and internationally. Locally in Jamaica, we're available in all the Fontanas, Ligoni Drug and Garden, My Jamaica, Craft Cottage, and that's it so far. But we're going in more places.
And you know, it's a good thing about the puzzle too. Like you can set up a puzzle area, and you can even just block some time. So you say every day, I'm gonna do like 15 minutes of the puzzle. Yeah. You don't have to do everything one time, and it's your OCD.
Exactly. And
like
sometimes
me,
you
I
just walk in
can't go
past.
sleep till I fix it.
You just walk past and you say, oh, see a piece there.
Yeah. I love it, guys. This is a great pastime. So please go check out Shauna-Gaye.
Great gift of Jamaica that doesn't necessarily scream Jamaica.
Yeah.
And it's a great keepsake, and you can frame it and put it up as a piece of art.
Well, here we are. We have it. Marv's. We have some right there, and that's so when you're done your puzzle,
you put it up and you frame it.
You put it up and you frame. So man, leave Marvin alone. Let me show Marvin something. when you finish with it, you can literally frame it and because it's look at that. And they're that nice. See?
I must say they're beautiful images, beautiful depictions of Jamaica.
Yes, the team who put it together. Excellent. It's a product of Jamaica, guys. So make sure you go out and support Shauna-Gaye. Excellent.
Thank you. Puzzles
I forgot to do a Smile Jamaica puzzle corner. Like set up a puzzle and every morning we fix part.
Well, this one on me that does start crying. This one look like
no man, just take your time.
It'll take about 14 weeks for that.
And remember, I tell you, so all the puzzles have a poster, full-size poster that comes there.
You.
If you're not a real puzzle like Neville, you can kind of build on top of the poster, so it kind of help you.
I want to do it that way.
I do have a thing to say. Shauna-Gaye Hart creates a puzzle. Puzzles by SG. Up next, we make a fun stop. This was a fun one, I think. We soon come. Clive, we need a puzzle corner. But every team member have to contribute to the puzzle.